In this tutorial, you'll learn how to make Blender run in full screen mode so your videos look cleaner and more professional while recording. Click Windows, go to Toggle Window Full Screen. Now the screen is full. Let's create two different network objects, the cube and the cone, and now we will make the display only of the design window again. Click Ctrl plus Alt plus Space. How nice it is to see with the camera what you have designed so far, in full screen, which is viewed and closed with Ctrl Alt Space. If you want to learn Blender from beginner to advanced, subscribe to the channel for upcoming tutorials covering modeling, animation, materials, lighting, rendering, and much more. Like and subscribe.